Not sure whether a guided or a self-guided walking holiday is right for you? I'm Andrew Guppy from Cotswold Walks, and in this video I'll talk about guided and self-guided walking holidays and how to help you decide which one is best for you.
What is a self-guided walking holiday?
A self-guided walking holiday really puts you in charge. It's you walking at your own pace. We give you a complete route booklet with detailed route notes, OS mapping, so that it will help you navigate through the countryside as you set out on the ancient footpaths that we're allowed to walk on. We also give you a walking app so that moments of indecision, you're not necessarily lost, was it left, was it right, will be in your pocket ready to consult so that you can find your way and walk with confidence and ease.
What is a guided walking holiday?
A guided walking holiday is where our expert guides will be able to escort you through the countryside. We're able to visit a wider area of interest because we can maximize the time and the enjoyment on the things that we're going to see. It will be a little bit more scheduled. You will be with a group, normally no more than say 16 people, smaller minibus, but that means we don't really change the atmosphere when we turn up to a pub or a cafe. And when we're walking, we're a smaller group so that we can still engage with each other, make friends, and to ensure that you can enjoy a shared experience to make it a memorable trip.
How do people decide which option suits them best?
A self-guided tour will be for someone that has the confidence to be able to follow route instructions and maps, to be able to navigate their way through the landscape. There is some detective work involved, and don't be worried if you do get lost. Sometimes it's part of the adventure. A lot of people look back, and that's some of the most memorable experiences by working out how to get themselves out of the predicament they find themselves in. You're never far from a road or a farmhouse, so the sense that you're really lost or isolated doesn't really exist in the Cotswolds. It's you making the decisions, what time you want to leave after breakfast, how long you want to spend out on the trails, the pace at which you walk, if you want that leisurely pub lunch, visiting attractions, castles and gardens. You're not going to be rushed. It's going to be your timetable, your walk, your way. And a guided walk is where you have more of a shared experience. You have an expert local guide on hand so that you can engage with them, perhaps learn a bit more about what it's like to live and work in the Cotswolds. You've got that engagement, you've got that shared experience, making friends, and you do visit a wider area of the Cotswolds. Attractions like Blenheim Palace or Highclere Castle are offered on the guided tours that aren't offered on the self-guided tours. So there is a slight difference in the itinerary. If you'd like to find out more, please contact us through the Cotswold Walks website or call us directly, and we'd be happy to plan and customize a trip to suit your needs.